Hello everyone, we are here at KFC to eat our dinner tonight with my son, Angel. Bagong dating lang siya. Okay. Hello anak! Kamusta ka na? Kamusta ang bike mo, nak? Okay, thanks for the treat, nak. Sabi mo taas mo. Okay. Yobo. No, nakapara princess. Thanks for the treat. Okay. Daniel. Hello. Ito ha. Okay. That's it. God bless everyone. Okay. Yobo. Okay, got it more. Princess. Okay.